Hey folks, today let's solve another question from the data remote platform. So this question is unfinished parts and it's an easy question asked by Tesla. And here is the question. So Tesla is investigating bottlenecks in their production and they need our help to extract the relevant data. So we have to write an SQL query that determines which parts have begun the assembly process but are not yet finished. So this is a super easy question, and all we have to do is we just have one table which is the parts assembly table, and here we have the column name called part, which specifies the part, the finished date which specifies the date which the part has been assembled, and the assembly steps. So if there are 4 steps in the particular manufacturing of the part, so here if the uh, assembly step is 4, so it means that the part is finished. So here the assembly step is 2, so it means that these 2 steps have been finished at this particular date. Now we have to return all the parts, determine the parts which have begun the assembly process but not yet finished. So one thing which has not been mentioned here, or it has been mentioned here, is that we have to return the part only once. So here you can see that bumper appears 4 times, but here we have to return the output as only once because 2 of the bumpers have not yet finished the manufacturing. Alright, so the procedure is very simple. So I have just selected all the distinct parts from this particular table where the finished date is null. So it's as simple as this. And if we don't specify distinct and we run the code, you can see that bumper appears twice, but here it's given that we have to print it only once, so all the distinct parts. But let's say there was another table here which gives a part ID, and these 2 bumpers are different part IDs. So then we would have to print both. The bumper should be printed twice over here, so it should be bumper, bumper, and engine. But over here, since we just need the part to appear only once, so what I'll do is I'll just put distinct here, which specifies the class only one time. So let me just run this. Should accept. Yep, it has been accepted. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.